Good morning, everyone. Now we will start with the next chapter that is called as the fundamental unit of the life, means cell. All the matter means which occupy the space and have the mass, means all the non-living matter that is made up of the basic unit called as the atom. But all the living organisms, they are made up of the smallest microscopic unit called as the cell. And the term cell, it is the Latin word which means a little room or a little compartment. And the cell is called as the fundamental or basic unit of the life. And why it is called as the fundamental and basic unit of life? Because each and every cell that has the ability to perform all the basic life processes like the respiration, nutrition, growth, reproduction, etc. And the study of the cell in all the aspects like the structure and function, that is called as the biology, cell biology. Now I will tell you about the two types of the cells, that is the animal cell and it is a plant cell. Animal cell and the plant cell, they are differ from each other due to presence of the cell wall. In plant cell, here is the cell wall, and cell wall, that is a protective covering of the plant cell. But in animal cell, only here is the membrane. Now in animal cell, this outer covering is called as a cell membrane, and it is flexible, and it also has cell components, means the organelles in the cell that are called as the cell components. And first one is about the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and these are the parts of the cells. And second one is the centriole. Then next one is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, as it has dots, means that has the ribosomes, so it has the rough surface, so it is called as a rough endoplasmic reticulum. And it also has the lysosome. And then about the Golgi body, and it is Golgi body, these are the stack like structures, and it is a nucleus in which round shape mass, that is called as the nucleolus, and the outer covering of the nucleus is called as the nuclear membrane. And in this the liquid is also present, that is called as the nucleoplasm. And in the inside of the cell membrane, between the cell membrane and the nucleus, here is also a liquid, that is called as the cytoplasm. And in the cytoplasm, all these cell organelles, they remain. And the last one is about the mitochondria. It is called as the powerhouse of the cell. It's about the animal cell. And after that, about the plant cell. In plant cell, you can see the outer covering that has the cell wall. It is a protective wall. Cell wall is rigid, and it is made up of the complex sugar. And it also has the chloroplast. You can see the green plastids, chloroplast, smooth endoplasmic reticulum as in the animal cell, and rough endoplasmic reticulum also, ribosomes, plasma membrane, vacuoles. These are the vacuoles. In animal cell, you can see the empty spaces, vacuoles, they are very small. But in case of the plant cell, these structures are very large, because there is the more storage of the food takes place. We will discuss about the cell organelles, each and every cell organelles, in chapter later. Now it's about the discovery of the cell. The discovery of the cell is done by the Robert Hooke in 1665. He observed the honeycomb-like pattern in thin slice of the cork by the self-designed microscope. And this is the cell designed microscope. And this type of the structure that is seen into the microscope, like honeycomb like structure, and it is observed into the thin slice of the bark of the tree. मतलब जो रोबोट हुक था इसने क्या किया कि एक ट्री की बार्क मीन्स जो तना होता है उसमें से एक थिन स्लाइस लेकर उसमें एक अपना ही डिज़ाइन किए हुए माइक्रोस्कोप से छोटे छोटे क्या है लिटिल कंपार्टमेंट्स देखे दैट इज रिजेंबल्ड विद द हनी कॉम, जो मधुमक्खी का छत्ता होता है उससे वो रिजेंबल करता था. एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ सेल मीन्स. देन आफ्टर दैट in 1674, Anton von Leeuwenhoek he discovered the free cells like bacteria, protozoa, and red blood cells and sperms in compound microscope. It is the मॉडर्न टेक्निक ऑफ द माइक्रोस्कोप मीन्स जो सेल्फ डिज़ाइन माइक्रोस्कोप था दैट इज़ ऑफ द रॉबर्ट हुक. एंड आफ्टर दैट देर इज़ द डिस्कवरी ऑफ द एडवांस्ड माइक्रोस्कोप दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज द कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप. यू कैन सी हियर इट हैज़ द आई लेंस, आई पीस है जो. और इसके बाद यहाँ पर जो हैं ये क्या है ऑब्जर्वेशन के लिए सेल्स लगे हुए, सॉरी लेंस लगे हुए हैं. और इससे हम क्या करते हैं ऑब्जर्व करते हैं कोई भी माइक्रोस्कोपिक ऑब्जेक्ट की. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज अबाउट द Robert Brown. It is also a biologist. He discovered about the nucleus that is present in the center of the cell, and in 1831, and in 1839 Purkinje डिस्कवर्ड द लिविंग मैटर ऑफ द सेल कोल्ड एज अ प्रोटोप्लाज्म. जो सेल के अंदर का लिक्विड मैटर है उसके बारे में किसने बताया था? पुरकिंजे साइंटिस्ट ने बताया था. आफ्टर दैट वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द सेल विद द एक्टिविटी दैट इज डन विद द ऑनियन पील. I am going to send you a one link for the activity that is related with the observation of the cells into the onion peel. Students, please must watch this video. मीन्स इसमें आपको जो सेल्स हैं वो क्लियरली शो होंगे ऑनियन पील के. ओके.